We're explaining how to execute a stored procedure with parameters in SQL Server. 1. First, you need a stored procedure. Let's create a simple one that takes two parameters, an employee ID and a salary increase percentage. The procedure will update the employee's salary. The code to create this stored procedure would look something like this. SQL create procedure update employee salary at employee ID int at salary increase. Percentage decimal 5 2 as begin update employees set salary L salary 1 plus at salary increase percentage 100 where employee ID x at employee ID end 2. After creating the stored procedure, you can execute it using different methods. The most common way is using exec or execute. The syntax involves specifying the procedure name and providing values for the parameters. For example, to give employee with ID 1 a 10% raise, you'd use SQL exec update employee salary at employee ID equals 1 at salary increase. Percentage equals 10. Notice how we're assigning values to the parameters using the at parameter name equal value syntax. The order of parameters matters if you don't specify the parameter names explicitly. If you omit the parameter names, you must provide the values in the exact order they're defined in the stored procedure's creation. So, exec update employee salary 110 would also work in this case, but it's better practice to explicitly name parameters for better readability and maintainability. 3. Another way to execute a stored procedure with parameters is using the execute SQL stored procedure. This is generally preferred for dynamic SQL scenarios where the procedure name or parameter values are constructed at runtime because it offers better security and performance. For our example, it would look like this. SQL declare at employee ID int equals 1, declare at salary increase, percentage decimal 5 2 equals 10, exec sp execute SQL n exec update employee salary at employee ID at salary increase percentage, n at employee ID int at salary increase percentage, decimal 5 2, at employee ID x at employee ID at salary increase percentage equal at salary increase percentage. Here, the first parameter is the T-SQL statement itself as an nvarchar. The second parameter is a string defining parameter data types, and the rest are parameter values that will be passed. Execute SQL is more complex but offers more control, and is crucial when dealing with dynamic SQL. 4. Remember to handle potential errors. For instance, you might want to check if an employee with the given ID exists before updating their salary, or add error handling, try, catch blocks, to gracefully manage situations where the procedure fails. Always test your stored procedures thoroughly with various inputs to ensure they function correctly and securely. After executing the stored procedure, you can verify the changes by querying the employees table to see if the salary has been updated.